Okay. Maybe we'll just wait until 4:30, yeah?
Okay.
For just. Do you bring notebook?
Yeah, great.
Okay. Because for today, we will discussing about note taking.
What?
Note taking.
Take.
Notes.
One notes.
taking.
Notes takes. Oh, chicken.
Oh, right on time.
Yeah.
It almost, okay, 1 more minute. Yeah. Because Happy just thought you wouldn't come because he said that he saw your Insta story that you were in Monday.
Oh yeah, I'm back at last Sunday.
It was your Insta story from last Sunday.
Yeah.
So it's like the let post, yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Let post. Okay then, because it's 4:30, let's start our lesson for today. And before we start, let's pray together. Pray with your unbelief. Pray together. Okay, so for today, we will watch a video. It's supposed to be the second, but we'll do it first and then we move to the first one, okay? So for today, we will talk about note taking. Okay? And we will watch the video first about note taking. Why you should take notes to improve learning.
There are a lot of reasons why taking notes is important. Keeps you alert. Note-taking keeps your body active and involved and helps you avoid feelings of drowsiness or distraction. It is an active process that helps you focus. Engages your mind. Listening carefully and deciding what to include in notes keeps your mind actively involved with what you hear. It helps you engage with the material, emphasizes and organizes information. As you take notes, you'll decide on and highlight the key ideas you hear, identifying the structure of a class presentation. You'll also be able to indicate the supporting points of a presentation, making study and understanding easier after class. Such organized notes also make it easier for you to link classroom learning to textbook readings. Creates a condensed record for study. It is impossible to remember everything you hear in class. A set of concise, well-organized notes from each class session gives you what you need for study, learning, and review after class. Make sure to take notes from lecture and your readings. Write them in your own words and write them by hand if possible. Make sure to review your notes as often as possible. Note-taking is an important part of the learning process, and having good notes can make a big difference.
Okay, what do you think about taking notes?
Taking notes is making easier.
Rafi, what's wrong with you? He looks confused like,
Yeah. It's true.
Do you still confused? Do you want me to
Yeah.
play it again one more
sentence.
time?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are a lot of reasons why taking notes is important. Keeps you alert. Note taking keeps your body active and involved and helps you avoid feelings of drowsiness or distraction. It is an active process that helps you focus. Engages your mind. Listening carefully and deciding what to include in notes keeps your mind actively involved with what you hear. It helps you engage with the material, emphasizes and organizes information. As you take notes, you'll decide on and highlight the key ideas you hear, identifying the structure of a class presentation. You'll also be able to indicate the supporting points of a presentation, making study and understanding easier after class. Such organized notes also make it easier for you to link classroom learning to textbook readings. Creates a condensed record for study. It is impossible to remember everything you hear in class. A set of concise, well-organized notes from each class session gives you what you need for study, learning, and review after class. Make sure to take notes from lecture and your readings. Write them in your own words and write them by hand if possible. Make sure to review your notes as often as possible. Note-taking is an important part of the learning process, and having good notes can make a big difference.
Okay, do you get it now?
Little.
Okay. The video is about note taking and why it is important to take some notes, because our lesson today is about note taking. Let's see. Here. Number 1. Answer the questions. Do you like to take notes? And on what occasion do you take notes? Okay, who wants to answer first?
Me deh.
Okay.
Right.
So, do you like to take notes?
Yes, I love to take notes, especially for lessons in class.
Oh, you're feeling diligent, yeah?
Yeah, little.
Is it you take notes because you want to memorize it, or is it because you easily forget about it? You forget about it easily.
When I was junior high school, I found out that my type of learning is by taking notes. So if I take notes on what the teacher say, I can remember things easily.
I see.
Yeah, if I take notes, I can remember what the teacher says.
Okay. So you remember more about the materials when
Yeah.
you take notes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, on what occasion do you take notes? Okay, first when you got lectured, yeah?
Yeah.
And then what else?
And then when I review lessons before exams, I usually make a resume about the lessons to learn.
Okay, so you love taking notes,
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Rafi?
Yeah, I like take notes when I want to memorize something like knowledge or something that interesting for me, and
Yeah, okay. On what occasion do you take notes? Or is it just for study, when you're study, or maybe when you are
yeah, of course when I
meeting?
study or I join a seminar or the other.
Okay. So you've watched the video about note taking, and then do you remember how many reasons are there?
3. Okay.
3? Do you want me to play it
No,
again?
it's not.
No? Okay. You didn't take note about the video.
Yeah.
Because you didn't know the questions will be
I
coming.
didn't understand.
You didn't understand the video.
Yeah.
Let's see the video again first, yeah? Okay, first, why you should take notes to improve learning. So basically, you just want to say that you gotta take notes if you want to improve your learning, and then it will explain why. Okay, let's see.
There are a lot of reasons why taking notes is important. Keeps you alert.
Okay, the first one, why you should taking note is because it will keep you alert. When you are hearing someone explaining about things, something theoretical, some of you might feel it a little boring, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Like when you were hearing about your math teacher, maybe when they explain about this is plus this one, this is minus this one and this one. This is the formula of this one. Does it feels boring to you?
Yeah.
Yes, and that's why you take notes, because it keeps you alert. Because you are
Taking keeps your body active and involved and helps you avoid feelings of drowsiness or distraction. It is an active process that helps you focus. Engages your mind. Listening carefully and deciding what to include in notes keeps your mind actively involved with what you hear. It helps you.
So the second one is
Giving you reasons to
the first one is to
keeps you alert.
keeps you alert, and then second one is to help you. Okay, let's do it again.
Listening carefully and deciding what to include in notes keeps your mind actively involved with what you hear. It helps you.
Makes your mind keep active.
Oh.
Okay, because you will decide what to write down while you are hearing, right? You won't be writing everything that your lecturer will say, right? You won't be taking notes on everything. It's like you're transcribing something, not taking notes. If you are writing all of what others are saying, like that. So if it's taking notes, you are doing something in your mind, like, oh, I hear something. Maybe like, let's say it's one paragraph about, what else? About Bahlil, let's say. To make things more spicy, okay? Maybe about Bahlil, okay? And then, what will you take to your notes? It's something that's important, right? Maybe you won't take in notes about like that Bahlil do this, Bahlil is this like. You will only take in notes about the effect of what Bahlil did, right? Mostly like that, right? You won't be, it's like you won't be, how to say it, yeah? You won't be interested in what and why he is doing. What you're interested in is the effect of what he is doing, right? That's what you will be taking notes, okay? And then
Engage
what
with the
else?
material. Emphasizes and organizes information. As you take notes, you'll decide on and highlight the key ideas you hear, identifying the structure of a class presentation. You'll also be able to indicate the supporting points of a presentation, making study and understanding easier after class.
Okay, what else? Is that the reason?
Making understanding after class.
Jasmine, can you say that he is only listening at the end of the listening, right? Do you listening to the first one?
Highlight the key point of the presentation of paragraph so you can understand more about the topics.
That's right. I'm taking notes, Rafi. So, he's like taking notes. Okay, it's not only to point out, it's also to highlight the information. Okay, next.
Such organized notes also make it easier for you to link classroom learning to textbook readings. Creates a condensed record for study. It is impossible to remember everything you hear in class. A set of concise, well-organized notes from each class session gives you what you need for study, learning, and review after class.
Okay, now what is it?
You so fast, miss.
Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, we can do it. Okay, let's see. We have changed the pace into 0.5. Okay.
I'm sorry,
Let's
that's me.
see
I'm sorry.
if Rafi can take it. Okay.
Miss, can I turn the
Air conditioner.
air conditioner?
Higher.
Higher.
Is it because cold?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? Oh, it's 17.
Yeah.
No wonder it's so cold.
17?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I turn to 22?
Yes, it's okay. Are you not feeling cold, Rafi?
Yeah, I use jacket.
Okay, alright. It's also because Jasmine is like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from that.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. I think it will be fair.
There are a lot of reasons why taking notes
Oh my
is
God.
important.
Okay, you understand this
Keeps
now?
you alert.
Yeah.
Note taking keeps your body active and involved and helps you avoid feelings of drowsiness or distraction. It is an active process that helps you focus, engages your mind. Listening carefully and deciding what to include in
It's like a
notes
Oh my God.
keeps your
It's
mind
getting funny.
actively involved with what you hear. It helps you engage with the material, emphasizes and organizes information. As you take notes, you'll decide on and highlight the key ideas you hear, identifying the structure
This
of
maybe
a
I more
class
understand
presentation.
if you explain like what immediately. Yeah. In video I didn't understand.
Okay, you didn't understand clearly about the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll
let's
also
see.
be able to indicate the supporting points of a presentation,
Okay, this one
making
is.
study and understanding easier after class.
Okay, this one for the highlights of the notes and highlight of the subject of something that you learn. Okay, that's why taking notes will help you reviewing the materials you've learned before. Okay, it said that it's impossible that you will remember exactly what's the materials your teacher saying, right? So when you're taking notes, you don't have to really remember it clearly, but you can just put some highlights of the subject, of the materials that been said from your teacher, like that. And then what
Such
else?
organized notes also make it easier for you to link classroom learning to textbook readings. Creates a condensed record for study. It is impossible to remember everything you hear in class. A set of concise, well-organized notes from each class session gives you what you need for study, learning, and review after class. Make sure to take notes from lecture and your readings. Write them in your own words and write them by hand if possible. Make sure.
So you gotta handwrite it so you can remember it better. Yeah, not only from your lecture but also from your, maybe you have the book, right? I think some major can have what it's called, pack book or something like module, something like that. And not only you learn from the teacher, you can also learn or take notes from the book. Okay? Next.
Review your notes as often as possible. Note-taking is an important part of the learning process, and having good notes can make a big difference.
Next. Do you understand the last? You hear the last sentence,
Thanks
right?
for watching. Oh my god.
Okay. What I mean is taking notes is giving a big difference with from just say that taking notes is giving a big difference for your learning because you highlight, because you active, because your brain is working. Okay, that's why note taking is important, like that. Okay, from here, do you understand?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
explain.
So we gotta explain it to him or not? Am not? Okay, now number 2. Okay, watch the video about note taking. How many reasons are there? It's if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's count. The first one is to make,
To be alert.
to be alert, and then the second one is
To memorize it.
No.
Oh no, to
No.
make brain active.
Yeah.
To make brain active
Like
and
your
to
brain and
highlight
Highlight.
the
key points.
key point.
Is it a different point, Miss?
Oh, it is a different point, yeah. So it's
I don't know. The information that I catch is
yeah, okay.
a different point.
Okay. The video doesn't say exactly
Yeah.
how many points are there.
Yeah.
So let's just count it together, okay? So first one is active, making your brain active.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the second one is to
be
highlight
Key
the key information. And then what else?
And
To be
then
alert.
To be alert. Okay. And then what else?
to what is it, memudahkan ya?
Or to make easier for learning.
Yeah, and
to make easier to learning and reviewing things. Okay. Is that all, or is there one more? What do you think? What else?
What else, yeah?
Is that
To
all?
identify the structure or no?
Identifying the structure is how to say it? Yeah.
It's included to.
It's included. Yeah, it's included
Another
to
points.
the like when you're highlighting the materials, you also have to manage like this one is for material 1, this one is for material 2, this one for material 3, like that. Just like organizing the highlights. Something like that. Yeah, to make it easier to organize the highlight. Like that. So it's about 5, yeah, if we count. Okay. Okay, number 3. Okay, sure. I think we don't have to watch the video again, yeah?
Yeah.
We've played many times. Okay. A. Note taking can keep your body alert. Is it true or false?
True.
True. B. Note taking will make you sleepy.
False.
False. C. You need to take note of every single detail.
False.
False. D. You should use your own words.
True.
True.
True. Why you should use your own words?
Because that is our language. Yeah. If we what? Apa sih?
Come on,
Continue.
Because if you just write down what your lecturer or teacher saying, you just make like transcripting what they are saying. But if you use your own word, that means you have proceed the information in your brain first before you write it down.
Yeah. Okay. Is that what you wanted to say?
No, because if we copy paste what teacher say, maybe will be feel hard, difficult.
Okay. We will understand more because it's our language, like that, right?
Yeah.
That's why it says use your own words, because we understand our own language. Yeah, right? Like we wouldn't say, let's say like there is some new words that maybe some others will confuse and then the others will understand, like that. So use your comfortable words, like that, because you're the one who will review your notes, not others, right? Okay. Let's see next. Inside box. Tips for taking notes. Use simple language. Use abbreviations, symbols, bullet points, and then use visual if possible. Why do you think it is good to make some visuals?
Because it's easier to remember. If you just write it all by text, it's like hard to imagine. If you make visuals, it can help you to remember, like oh yeah, is it on this place? Oh yeah, is it this place? And like.
Okay, that's from there. What about you, Rafi? Why do
Same.
you think?
Just me.
It's not. It's like a boys can't stand alone. You don't have any other comments about why we should use visuals if possible?
Make more easier because if we saw our visuals, oh, this is like this, so we don't have to think again.
Okay. Okay, great. So it helps to remember and help us to making like codes, yeah, for some subjects, right? And then I think it's also to make our notes more personal. Like we are giving some personal touch here, there, right? Like our let's just say our cat's drawing will be different from others, right? Like maybe our cats would be like the head with a triangle or something else that we make it cuter than others, like that. We are giving personal touch, and the visual makes our notes less boring. Like when you are reading a book or a model, would you like to read it all with words or with some visuals?
Some visuals.
Depends.
Okay, why depends?
Like novel.
Okay, he always change like different. Why is it different, Jasmine?
I think it depends on what subject it is. Because for some subjects I can understand more if the explanation is just by text, and for some subjects or some topics I justru apa ya? I become confused if they use visuals.
Okay. Is it the same for you too, Rafi?
Yeah.
Okay. For me, I think I prefer to have some visuals because I tend to get bored easily when reading some books that full of words or full of notes. That's why I got sleepy during exam. I always sleepy during exam because there is no pictures, there is no visuals there. Are you not feel sleepy when you're doing exams?
No.
No? Okay, it's just me.
My eyes is like
Okay, moving so fast.
Feel sleepy.
Okay. What about you, Rafi?
I'm
Are you okay?
chill.
Chill guy. Chill guy. Okay. Yeah, like that. That's why I've taken TOEFL class before, but I feel very bored because all that do is just doing the exam. How to say it? Yeah. The exam book. The book will be very thick, and it's all is writing, reading. So I feel really bored when it comes to exams. Okay, nice. Now, let's see number 4. List down things you can include in your notes. Okay. Let's do number 4, and then we will discuss it. Okay?
Example.
Hmm?
Example.
Examples. Okay. List down things you can include to your notes. The inside box can be the examples.
Oh, okay.
Right? So you will be like your kind of note taking. Like maybe you will say using some slang language so I can understand better. Or maybe you will say use some symbols, or maybe add some adding symbols to add it more interesting or exciting, like that.
Done, Miss.
Done? He's smiling so brightly. You're like, I've done it. Okay, we'll wait for yes.
I think I'm done too.
Okay, you're done too.
Yeah.
Okay, let me mark this. Okay, so who wants to go first? Okay, Jasmine.
Maybe.
Okay.
I write dot,
Okay.
and after that Miss Hanif. And then in the what? Down there.
Mm-hmm.
Down.
And then
Why take note are important? Double dot.
Mm-hmm.
Number 1, to be alert, and I draw a symbol like to be alert.
Symbols.
Yeah. And number 2, make our brain active. So I draw a brain. There is a effect. Like,
Okay, you give more touchable visuals.
yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, thank you. And then what about you? Jasmine.
Okay, I first make key points of the subject, and then I usually make like inside. Wow. Wow. I usually make like inside box that include a fun fact about the topics that the teacher say, or like I find out on the internet or books, and then write definition of the important things about the subject. Use colorful stationery for taking notes.
Okay.
And then make mind map or hand-drawn objects if it's feasible.
Okay, great. So you make it like as colorful and as exciting as you can.
Yeah, because when I have exam, I remember like the place where I write the notes. Like, oh yeah, this is on the left. Yeah, gitu.
Okay, that was my friend, Mr. Haider, if you know. So he just does this and then, huh? What are you doing here? Like that. Okay, thank you for Jasmine and Rafi. Okay, that's very exciting. What I can imagine that Rafi would have something, the note-taking version would be like, very abstract. I can imagine it something like that. Okay, kind of abstract, and then with some personal touch, like some drawing that only he could understand what drawing it is. I can imagine it. The note will be like that, and then for Jasmine, I can imagine it like such a colorful and rainbow thing with structured, like here is the note, here is the fun fact, and then here's some points that is important, and then there is the highlight and something like that. I can imagine the note taking is like that. Okay. Next, let's see what we have here. Okay. Read the text. Have you tried the method? Okay. Ralphie, can you read the Cornell method?
Okay, Cornell method. The Cornell method is a systematic note-taking technique where you divide a page into specific sections to divide a page to help you organize and review your notes easily. It was developed by Walter Pauk, an education expert in the 1940s. 40s. The method is named after Cornell University, where Paul taught.
Okay, thank you. And then the sections is Jasmine.
The large right-hand section is where you take your main notes during a lecture or while reading. The narrow left-hand column is for cues or keywords related to the main notes on the right. The smaller section at the bottom is for summarizing the main ideas of the page.
Okay, great. So this is like the template, yeah? The template of Cornell notes. There's name, topic, directions, and then some others, smaller sections in bottom, yeah, for the summarizing of the main idea of the page. Okay, now number 6. Read the text again and answer the questions. Okay. What is the name of the method?
Cornell method.
Cornell method. Now B. Who developed it?
Walter Pauk.
Walter Pauk. Now C. How many are there? Three?
Three sections.
Three sections. D. What do you write on the right section?
For taking the main notes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Two main notes on the right. Yes. Related to the main notes. Okay, next. What do you write on the smaller section?
For summarizing the main ideas of the page.
Okay, great. Okay, I think rather than doing it on the book, I think it will be more exciting if we're doing it on a piece of paper. So you can draw it however you like.
Oh my god.
Okay. If you want to use some crayons or pencils, you can have it here. Okay, you can share. And then number 7, find a short text online and take notes. You can either use the Cornell notes or your own. Okay. Do you want to find it online or should we find it together?
Short text online.
How many minutes you will give us if we find it online?
Well, we still have 1 hour, so we can have so much more time. Like that.
I think it's more interesting if we
Take.
iya apa namanya search for online topics.
So you want to search it divided, like you want, like maybe you want to talk about biology notes, and then you want to talk about other notes, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. How many minutes do you need? 20 minutes? Is it enough?
I think it's okay.
20 minutes. Okay.
Miss in English ya.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
English. Because we're in English class, not in bahasa class. You can choose the theme however you like maybe you like Genshin Impact, you wanna search for the text about Genshin Impact or something else. Okay, and I want you to be creative for the note taking. Okay, so you can if you want to draw, you can draw. You want to make it some rainbow, you can do it. is it? I can see you're taking so many notes.
Wait, miss. 7 minutes. Give me 7 minutes.
Okay. What short things do you think?
About consistent.
Consistent.
Yeah.
And then
And then,
what consistent? I mean.
like how to be consistent.
Okay, how to be consistent.
Yeah.
So you wanna build something like a routine.
Yeah. No, like how to be consistent. Tutorial how to be consistent. Like that. Like I give a step by step, like that. So
Okay. Also that you gotta explain about your notes, yeah. Okay. Oh, you use both sides.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think it's a short text.
No, because I write a big word.
Because you write big letters, yeah.
Yeah, big letter.
Okay. And you put some colors there.
Yeah, just having fun.
You're fun. Okay.
Then miss. Wait.
Okay.
make it.
Oh, you wanna decorate it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay. Rafi first. What are you not thinking about?
And talk about how to be consistent. Topic of it, how to be consistent.
Okay, and then your notes. What's
My-
the highlight on your notes?
My highlight in my notes, there is introduction. First is introduction,
Introduction.
and the second is how.
Mm-hmm.
Introduction include why consistent is important. So I write why because consistent is one of the biggest key to
Okay.
success to in anything you want to achieve.
Okay.
Oh
And
wow.
Which
It's
is
for my observation.
so I draw a key
Uh-huh.
and like up like success.
Okay, you can show the Jasmine too.
Ah, yeah.
And next how I give
Okay.
step one. Know why you want to be consistent. So we have to know why we want to consistent.
So we have to have a target.
Yeah, have
We gotta have
no
the
target. Like why I do this.
Mm-hmm. So like,
The reason.
Yeah, the reason. Yeah, the reason.
okay.
The reason. And the second step two is start small and clear.
Okay.
And so I draw like a telescope. Apa sih namanya?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like oh my god, I forget. Like the something the
Like you can zoom.
like the
small.
let's say the detective.
Yeah, detective. Like
The detective kind of thing.
detective things.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
forget
draw
it.
that. We start with small and clear.
Mhm.
And step three is make it routine and not a mood.
Make
Make a routine,
a routine,
not a mood.
not the mood.
Yeah, mood. So I write a clock,
Mm-hmm.
and behind the clock I write what? Emotion.
Okay.
Emotion. Okay. And step four,
Step 4.
track and reward progress.
Okay.
Okay. So I draw like a square,
Mm-hmm.
and I give checklist like that.
Uh-huh.
And I give draw a what box
Boxes.
like reward, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Reward box.
And step five.
Okay. Step 5.
Step five. I just write don't quit. Don't quit. You know.
Don't quit.
Don't quit. Is in this paper I explain if fail don't give up, but immediately continue or returning fast.
Mm-hmm.
So I draw like this symbol, like not don't parking.
Okay. Like the cross sign.
Yeah, cross sign.
Okay.
And then step 6.
That's it.
Always remember with your why, your reason.
Okay. Always remember your reason to
Yeah.
achieve that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I draw a lamp.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all.
Okay. What do you think about his not taking Jasmine?
Good. See. Oh my God.
I think yeah, his not taking is very motivational.
Very motivational. Okay. And
Yeah.
then what else?
And then
Very visualized.
yeah, very visualized because he made like icons. He draw icons.
Some icons.
Two.
Yeah, in every points.
Okay.
Nice.
Like every step, he draw such an iconic icon.
Yeah.
Okay. From me, I think it's already wonderful, and I can see some personal touch there. But if I may add that maybe when you're not taking, you can do like 5 WH questions.
Oh.
Right? So you're just not okay. From the WH question, there is what, why, who, when, and how.
Where is
Right, where? Where, okay? Maybe you can add some points of here, like the WH question, so you don't get confused on what do I have to write, what do I have to highlight, something like that. Right? Do you get it?
Yeah.
What I meant?
Yeah.
Right? So when you already got WH question, why I take, for example, maybe the reason why I want to be consistent, right? And then who may be, who can do this? Everyone can do this. Everyone can do this consistent. The consistence, right?
Oh.
And then how it's okay. You already write the steps, yeah. So the how is very big there, right? Then when can we start? We can start it as soon as possible, right? And then what else? Why already? And then last one, where?
Where?
Right? Where? Maybe for consistency, right? Where should I put the target or the thing that what is it? Tick the target or something like that. The tracker. Where should I put the tracker? Something like that. So it's like the another option of a key highlight. So in order to answer this, you have your note taking, your notes. That's why it's kind of important, like that. Okay. It's my father said it a lot. Like when you're note taking, know what you are note taking for. Right? Okay. If like do I not taking this for myself or for others? Like that. If it's for others, I might be more details. But if it's for me, I might not very detailed because I can give some codes there for me to understand it more. Something like that. Okay? Okay, next. What about you, Jasmine? What are you note taking for?
It's quite scientific, actually.
Okay.
It's about optimal cooling and storage methods for shrimp preservation during transport.
Okay. We'll be very theoretized here. Okay. Rafi has already given up.
What the topic is?
I didn't think about anything, so yeah, this is what first come in my mind.
Okay. Is it because it's your study?
Yeah. Maybe yeah. Maybe it's affect my brain.
Okay. Let's see how easy Jasmine notes that we can understand this, because me and Rafi both not from that kind of major, right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I made it like easy to understand actually.
Okay,
So
great.
yeah, it's quite general, I think.
Okay.
Okay. For the background, nowadays shrimp are essential part of the food and restaurant industries throughout the world. But there is a great risk of loss during supply chain because they begin spoiling right after they are killed. So it is important to know the best cooling and storage methods for preserving shrimp to maintain its quality, flavor, and freshness until they get to consumer's plate.
Okay.
Okay. And then I write for shrimp preservation methods.
Okay.
The first one is for catching and storing shrimp. First, catch or harvest shrimp using troll and pay attention to the duration of the catch.
Okay.
Nah, yeah.
Okay.
Catching duration, it will affect the quality of shrimp. First, if it's too short, we just get too few shrimp, and it's not effective. And then if it's too long, it can lead to significant damage, resulting in loss because the quality is like damaged.
Okay.
And then the post-harvesting schema of shrimp is first shrimp collected and then sorted, cleaned, and appropriately stored, recommended in a cold storage. And then second, it's onboard freezing of shrimp. It is the most commonly transported frozen. Freezing shrimp will increase the storage time. Freezing methods on the board is divided into 3 methods. First is cold brain immersion, and then air blast freezing and plate freezing. For cold brain immersion, you can use sugar and salt solution to improve glaze and aid separation during thawing. And then for the third method is onboard chilling of shrimp. The method requires attention and care requires attention and care. The shrimp must be entirely covered by the ice. This method can retain the color of shrimp. There's like quality degradation of shrimp that indicates by the color that calls. Oh my god, I forgot it. But like the shrimp, like they get black dots on its skin. Chilling with ice blocks can maintain the color.
Okay, so it looks fresh.
Yeah, it looks fresh.
Okay.
Shelf life can be extended to 4 days with these methods, but for best quality, it must be consumed before 2 days. Okay, the last is live transport of shrimp. For the common methods, it's require large water tanks, but this method is expensive and heavy. But nowadays, some studies indicate possibilities to transport live shrimp without water. First, shrimp cooled to an appropriate temperature to make it sleep. And then, when they arrive at their destination, we can increase the temperature to re-acclimate them. Okay, done.
Okay. That's very scientific and okay. Kind of make me hungry and wanting to eat some shrimp. Okay, so let's see if we can have the WH question here.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, how to maintain it, right?
Yeah.
The steps, right?
Yeah, the steps and not just the step, but the method variety.
Okay, great. And then what? It is about
Preserving shrimp.
preserving shrimp. Okay, and why?
Because the shrimp can get easily spoilage after they can get easily spoiled right after they are harvested.
Okay, so shrimp is kind of sensitive, yeah.
Yeah, they are very sensitive. Like if you just like take them, it cannot be consumed after like 6 hours.
Okay, so it has to be consumed right away.
Yeah, if you did not like cool them or like apply the preservation methods for the transportation, yeah.
Okay, very sensitive, I see. And then what else? That's why. And then who? Is there a who in your note taking?
I did not mention specific who, but I think it is for the insight is for fishermen or like person who works in fisheries industry.
Okay, great. And then when?
When you harvest the shrimp.
Okay, when you harvest the shrimp, or what else? When the shrimp is needed to be okay, when the shrimp is needed to be more yeah, I think it's the when is for the harvest season, yeah. For the harvesting method, yeah.
Yeah, but the methods you can apply the methods if you buy shrimp at the market. Because when you buy shrimp at the market, you can ask for ice to maintain its quality before it arrives to your house.
Okay, great. And how and then where? The where is there where you can store the shrimp, right?
Yeah, I think it can apply to your house, on the boat,
right?
And then
where
the market.
Yes. So the where is like for where you have to store the shrimp.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, that's good. Very scientific, and then Romeo looks very confused. Romeo will be like something like that. Okay, great. Thank you for the note taking. And then I can see you didn't add some visuals there, do you? Or you just make it colorful?
Yeah, this one is for the onward chilling of shrimp. Like I draw the like schema of the methods.
Okay, great. That's very neat, yeah. You don't have to see your note taking again, Ravi. Okay then. Because the time is up, let's review what we have learned for today. So what we have learned?
Notes taking,
Benefits, the benefits, and then what else?
Things you can include in your notes.
Things you can include, and then how, and then why, right? Why you have to note taking it, and then how you should note taking by dividing some highlights, by dividing some points, right? And then you've also practiced note taking, right? Okay. Do you have any questions for today's materials?
No.
No? Okay then. If that is all, then I'll say this is the end of our class today. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for your attention. And I'll see you again next time, yeah? Okay. And then, for your information, I will be your English MT for the next every Tuesday for the next November.
Oh.
Yay.
Because we're still looking for some MTC to fill in, but yeah, it seems I'm close by here, so I'll be taking this class.
Why did you not teach on Thursdays?
Because I still have some private.
Oh.
Private student.
Private session with some students.
English too.
English too. And then the one who's my private student is a foreigner.
Oh.
A foreigner who who have to learn how to read English.
Oh, where is what ethnicity?
region?
Hmm?
What is region?
He's American. And
American?
Yes.
Study English?
Yes. And he's still first grade.
Oh.
He's still first grade, but learning how to read in English. But whenever I met him, it'll be like, hey. Once he said some jokes in Japanese, right? I want to go to Lombok. Okay, when? Lombok. The chili.
Oh my
chili? What chili is Lombok? No, it's the Japanese of Chile, Lombok. Okay, thank you for your information. Like, he's very multilingual, and then once he had what's called homework, and then he is so proud that I'm from USA. Okay.
Oh my
you're
God.
You're very proud, and then the homework is like, where do you come from? What language did you learn? How's
Oh
your
my
flag? And then what's your favorite food from your country? And then how's your country outfit? Like the traditional outfit, right? And then he asked me to, can you draw it half and half? So he want half Indonesia and half USA
Oh my
for
God.
the flag. And then the food, he was doing cookie, the easiest one.
Oh.
But for
wow.
the traditional one, I asked him like, I searched, right, because I didn't know what's American traditional clothes, right? I searched, and then I let him saw it. It's too hard for me. Can we do something else? Then I asked him, okay, what about use the Japanese version? That will do. That the traditional outfit is Japanese, but the flag is Indonesia and America. Like, yeah, the traditional one. I guess the teacher would be confused, like, what is that? What is that traditional? So I asked him to write down the Japanese, so the teacher will know that it's the Japanese traditional outfit,
Oh my God.
not the American traditional outfit, because like he's so proud of himself. Like, I'm from America. Do you know where I come from? I come from America. And do you know that in my American house, and then there is this and okay, I know you're American, but when you're doing that homework, you said American outfit is hard, and then you do the Japanese one.
How does the American traditional outfit look, Miss?
Do you know the Indian traditional, like Pocahontas?
Yeah, I
That's
remember that the American like tribe is from like
Maya
Indian or Mongol
Yeah,
people.
that traditional outfit, and then he said it's so hard, so he didn't want to do it. And every time in my class, he would say, I bring a snack. I bring some snacks. Can I eat them? Okay, you can eat them. I don't want to do the homework. I want to eat some snacks. Okay, whatever you want to do.
Why his parents not teach him?
He already have the English language. Like he goes to international school and uses English for daily, and then there is also some like in the English reading, something like that.
Oh,
English
yeah.
reading, but I think he needs to improve more.
Oh, does he study at Kinderfield or no?
I don't know. As long as I see, the books is from Venus.
Venus?
Yeah.
Venus has a school.
That's what I'm asking. Like, does Venus have a school?
I just know like UPH that
Yes.
have a
If
school.
that's setelah papa habis, ya ada. But for Venus, I didn't know that if they have a school, right? I only know they have the university, but I don't know if they have school. But some of books that they have written, he have written, that say logo of Venus. There. That's what I'm asking about. Like, I don't know, is there a Venus? Or something like that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
so
Miss.
much. Yeah.
Thank you,
Careful
Miss.
with your
Thank you
phone.
very much.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, Miss.
Careful, ya.
Take care, Miss.